would you take a bath in coffee? I'm just asking because apparently coffee is good for your skin. And would you bathe with coffee? Well, in today's video, I am going to be infusing this soap with all different elements of coffee, and I'm going to be discussing 5 benefits that coffee has to your skin. So grab a cup of coffee and let's get right into it. Good day, awesome people. I am Natasha and we're gonna get straight into the video. So right now you see me adding coffee grounds directly to my soap batter, and we're gonna get into our first benefit of coffee, which is it is a natural skin exfoliant. Coffee has chlorogenic acids in it in addition to caffeine, and these substances are considered antimicrobial, which basically means that it either stops or hinders or kills mold or bacteria from growing, or stops it from growing and causing disease. And our skin is exposed to so much gunk in the air everywhere, and a lot of times those things get trapped in your pores. So if you use coffee grounds to exfoliate your skin gently, you help to remove all that gunk and oil and dirt from your skin and help it to be more refreshed and clean. So just like sugar scrubs, you can create a coffee scrub to help exfoliate your skin. Right now you see me mixing my batter in my micas. Now I try to find micas that kind of look like they would, look like coffee or cappuccino or vanilla chai or frappuccino or mocha cacolata or supercalifragilis. Whatever you guys be drinking, snuffleupagus. I do one thing at Starbucks, and that's the frappuccino, guys. Let's get into the second benefit of coffee, the reduction of inflammation. So have you ever had angry skin? It's just angry for no daggone reason. I mean, daggone, if it was a child, you'd be like, go sit down. Go sit down and be angry in the corner. Go sit down. It is red, it's burning, it's hurting, it's itching. It helps to stop your skin from being angry. Get a container, half cold water, half brewed coffee, cold. Get a rag, dip it in, and apply it to the areas that are angry. Now I'll get a bucket and dip my whole head in it. So I wanted to show you guys, in addition to the coffee grounds, I'm using fresh brewed coffee by Nature's Garden, and I am going to be using these coffee beans on my soap. I'm also adding brewed coffee to the soap batter too. We're doing Coffeelicious in the soap. The fragrance oil, fresh brewed coffee, smells like a coffee house, you guys. It does discolor to like a milk brown, a milk chocolate, I guess they say. But it doesn't accelerate. It works well in soap, and it smells so good. So are you guys coffee drinkers, cappuccino drinkers, tea drinkers, vanilla chai drinkers, Starbucks, all of the above drinkers? Like, what do you guys like to drink? I drink coffee occasionally, but I'm like, okay, so I'll drink it for the taste and for the boost, but I don't need the whole cup. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm not turning into Medusa if I don't get my cup of coffee, guys. That's not me. But I love coffee, but I don't love what it do to your teeth. Sheesh, I do not love what it do to your teeth. Sexy. It be tearing up your joint. I had went to the dentist and I saw like this spot on my teeth and I couldn't get it out. And she was like, I was like, what is that? I brush my teeth like fanatically. Like, I'm a teeth person, guys. I'm like really into teeth. She said, do you drink red wine? I was like, no. My God, this is the coffee jacking up my teeth like that? Oh, no. I'm sorry. I love coffee, but I don't like what it do to your teeth. So the next benefit that coffee has on your skin is it increased circulation. Coffee, the caffeine, and the chlorogenic acids in the coffee bean help to enhance your blood circulation. This like tightens your blood vessels, and that helps to give your skin a brighter, more refreshed appearance. And that's what helps to reduce the dark circles, because now you have an increased amount of circulation and it brightens your skin. And did you know that? So right now you see me actually taking all the colors and trying to create some forms of gradient, you guys, with the colors. I think these colors came out really nice. I like how they have, it's like different forms of earth tone, but it kind of gives you an impression of like certain types of coffee. I'm getting like iced coffee, the macchiato, I'm getting that vibe from this soap, and I'm hoping that when I cut it, it looks just as good as it looked when I'm pouring it. Guys, how do you pronounce coffee where you from? Because, you know, I'm from New York. You know, we say coffee, you know, coffee. Do you say coffee, cafe, coffee? Like, how do you guys, we say coffee in New York. We call it coffee. Let me ask you guys something. Do coffee keep you awake? Because it don't do nothing for me. I can drink a gallon of coffee and still go to sleep right after. That caffeine don't do nothing. It don't do anything at all. I remember driving to college late at night with my friend, and I'm like, no, let's get some coffee. Girl, man, I was still not awake. I just had to pull over and take a nap because it was ridiculous. Coffee don't do nothing. Caffeine does nothing. I mean, not for me anyway. Are you guys like that? I mean, does the caffeine keep you wired up cleaning the house till 3 in the morning, or are you just still going back to sleep? Okay, let's get into the fourth benefit, which is apparently coffee stimulates scalp for healthier hair. You know, the common theme here is that it enhances your blood circulation under your skin, the caffeine and the chlorogenic acid. So the coffee grounds helps to remove a lot of the dead skin that's on your scalp, rebalance the pH levels, and it encourages growth, or encourages a healthier scalp, honey, because we don't need the FDA talking about, okay, you said this. But if you create something with coffee in it and people hair start growing, let me know. You owe me 10%, you know. No, I'm kidding. I don't know about this one, guys. I mean, what if you don't wash all the coffee grounds out properly, and then you have all those coffee grounds in your hair? If your hair's thick, I wouldn't try it. I'll try it on my husband because, you know, he's going bald. I'm telling him I said that, but, you know, I'll try it on his bald spot and see if it works. What I didn't show in this video is that I added 4 ounces of brewed coffee in my soap batter. So what I did, for those of you who make soap, is I did a 1-to-1 ratio of water and lye in my recipe. So my recipe required me to put 11 ounces of water to, you know, I think it was like 6 ounces of lye. So what I did was I did a 1-to-1 ratio of water to lye. So I did 6 ounces of water, 6 ounces of lye, and then that last 5 ounces is what I added in my soap batter, but I added the coffee instead of water. So I did a trade-off on the liquid. If you understand what I'm saying, that's those of you who make soap. Those of you who don't make soap, I added some coffee brewed to the batter. So right here, I am actually doing a design. I didn't want nothing too intense or too crazy. I mean, all the pizzazz is like inside, and the scent itself, you know, we got enough excitement. The coffee causes enough excitement. We don't need to be overly excited. All except for the beans themselves, the coffee grounds, the liquid coffee that I added to the soap batter, those are all from brewed coffee. So I literally had brewed some coffee and I used those grounds from the already brewed coffee to do the design at the top and do the coffee grounds inside the soap. Because you don't want to use fresh coffee that's not brewed, because when you put it in the soap, it's going to start bleeding throughout the soap. You're going to start seeing all those brown coffee halos in your soap if you put it inside, and you don't want that. So you really want to brew the coffee before you add it to the soap. I like the addition of the coffee beans. They add a nice little botanical touch to the soap, and I think it looks nice. This soap smells really good, by the way. It smells very, very nice. Not too intense, but it smells really nice. I want to give a big shout out to the baristas that make coffee for a living, even if it's temporary. Anyone who be at some of these places and dealing with these angry customers who will stank when they don't get their coffee. Are you one of those customers, guys, that you just stank attitude? When you come to the window, the poor person can't even get the straw out fast enough. Always appreciate people who serve your food. The lady that I get my coffee from at Dunkin' Donuts, let me tell you, she makes it so good. I only want her to do it. Do you know anybody like that? She told me that she has several people that come up to the drive-thru and only she can make their coffee. That's how good she is. I appreciate her so much. So appreciate the people who serve your food, especially your coffee, guys. It's a lot of pressure to serve coffee to people. But y'all service gotta be nice too. Some of y'all be real stank. Wow. Is this a coffee soap or is this a coffee soap? Okay. I cannot wait to cut this. Look how pretty this soap came out. The tops are phenomenal. The inside look like a nice coffee for real. Like the dark part is at the bottom, and then you got your caramel syrup in the middle and your cream at the top. It looks delicious. Now guys, although the fragrance oil is fresh brewed coffee, depending on the type of scent profile you have, it's either going to smell like sweet coffee or it's going to smell like chocolate. So my mom smelled it and she was like, oh, it smells like you can eat it. I'm like, does it smell like coffee? She's like, no, it smells like chocolate. So are you guys ready for the soap cut? All right, now hold on to your beans. Wow, boom, look at that. Look at that design, you guys. Oh my goodness, it looked like a coffee heaven. Look at the dark part at the bottom. That have the fragrance oil in it, which turned it a little darker. So it's not as black like black coffee, but it's good enough. It's dark coffee, honey. It's dark roast, okay? Then you got your medium roast coming up to the second layer. And it just looks wonderful. It smells so good, you guys. It smells like a coffee shop that's serving some kind of chocolate croissant. Some kind of croissant. Some chocolate croissants and coffee. It smells wonderful. This soap came out better than expected. Now the coffee grounds that are in it is going to give you exfoliation on your skin. So when you use this soap, if you use it bare bones on your skin, you're going to feel like the exfoliation of the coffee grounds, which is beautiful because black part of this soap is made with activated coconut charcoal. So activated coconut charcoal also is a natural ingredient that helps to exfoliate and filter and clean your skin in addition to the coffee. So this coffee soap is just doing it on all spectrums. And the fifth benefit, it fights acne and premature aging. So the chlorogenic acids in coffee helps to protect your skin against UV rays. It helps to decrease the appearance of sunspots, redness, and fine lines. It helps to protect your skin from photo aging. And because it includes antioxidants, it helps with hyperpigmentation, antibacterial, which helps kill the bacteria, and decrease inflammation. So what you guys plan on doing today? Well, I hope it involves drinking more coffee, appreciating and thanking your server, and watching more of my videos. I mean, I gave y'all entertainment. I gave y'all visuals. Listen, guys, protect your beautiful skin, protect your energy, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now, and thanks for watching.